If you're concerned that you may be missing some important emails because they're being sent to spam, you should check your spam folder. Here's how you do it. In the left menu, scroll down and you will find a little drop-down menu with the word More. Open that up and that will bring you into some extra folders within Gmail, including your spam folder. Any email that Gmail identifies as spam will be automatically sent to this folder. If you find a legitimate email, you can click on it and then tell Gmail that this is not spam, which will cause Gmail to then move this message up to your inbox. If Gmail is consistently sending the same emails into spam and you can't seem to do anything about it, then you can whitelist the email address. We've got a short tutorial on how to do that right here. Checking your spam folders in Gmail. It is just that easy. Now, if we helped you out, I have a small favor to ask. Could you go ahead and hit that like button and then check out our other videos or sign up for one of our free weekly Webinar Wednesday tutorials? The link is right here. Till next time, I'm Steve Dotto. Have fun storming a castle.